How to fix iPhone if outgoing calls don't ring. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix iPhone if outgoing calls don't ring. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's get started. To fix an iPhone when outgoing call don't ring is first you'll need to check the ringer switch. So on the left hand side of your iPhone, make sure that the ringer switch is turned flipped to the right position. So you can check that by seeing if there is an orange dot visible or not. So if the orange dot is visible, that means that your phone is on a silent mode. So just toggle that on, and after you've done that, also check for the volume. So check for the volume of your iPhone. Then you can also check for do not disturb or focus modes. So swipe down from the top right, and there you should see a focus option. So make sure that that is turned off. After you've done that, what you can also do is check for any Bluetooth available. So let's head over to the connectivity section. Check if Bluetooth is turned on or not. If it is turned on, turn it off to avoid any connectivity to other devices. And also you can turn on your airplane mode and then turn it off. After you've done that, you can force restart your iPhone. To force restart, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. And long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. After that, your iPhone will restart. After you've done that, you can come to your settings. Just search for your settings, then tap on settings. Let me go back. There we go. Now after you're on your settings, you will need to head over to general. So search for general. After you're on your general, tap on software update. Now on our software update, you should find different your iOS version, if your automatic updates are on or not. All you have to do is, if there is an update available, tap on update and update your software to the latest version. And after you've done that, you can then go back, make sure you're on general again, then scroll down all the way. There you'll find an option that says transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that. Now there you'll see a reset option again. Tap on that. Now there you'll find reset network settings. So reset your network settings and then your problem should be fixed. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and don't forget to like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.